Hello, my name is Amy and I'm with Vitex, a renovation company. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, and we're so excited to show you all of our projects. So let's go ahead and get started with our next project. And here we have the current fireplace, which we're going to completely renovate as well. And we are going to take out this entire mantelpiece, so it will be a flat wall. We are going to take this fireplace, we're going to remove it. We're actually going to put in a new fireplace. It's also going to be gas. It's going to be a shorter one, but it's going to be more along the length of this wall. And right underneath it, we're going to have a place where you can place all of the appliances, which will be nice because it will also be like a tile, so it will blend in with the wall. And right above the fireplace, we will go ahead and have the TV, and the back of the wall is going to be like a 3D tiles, and that will go all the way up to the crown molding. And then over in this area is where we had our fireplace. As you can see, we have done some work on here. All of the mantle at the top that was protruding is now gone. We will go ahead and instead have the fireplace higher up. We'll have the shelving down here. Higher up, we're going to have the TV as well as large decorative tiles running up against the wall as well. What's a home without a warm and comforting entertainment system? So previously we had the fireplace with the big mantle, and so what we did is we removed all of that, and we still wanted to keep the warmth of the fireplace. So what we did is we modernized it. And as you can see, we have these beautiful 4-foot gray porcelain pieces. At the very top, we have the black strip, and the functionality of it is it's actually intertwined with the fireplace. So this is actually a gas fireplace, and it actually emits heat, so it's not just there for looks. It actually has a functionality, and the heat also comes out from the very top and warms the rest of the house. And of course, we have our television to entertain family and guests. And what's really neat is how we also intertwined it. So at the very bottom, you have your speakers, and then you have your small cabinets, and they're also touch, so you can go ahead and press on them and it opens up, and you have storage space in there as well. watching our show, Vitex, a renovation company. If you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. We'd really appreciate it. Also, if you were really interested in what you saw today, please go ahead and contact our company. A friendly staff member will be able to assist you. Our contact number is 916-719-0592.